Hey guys, once again I have brought some kitchen gadgets for you, the price of which is quite low, and it can be bought from the link given in the description. So friends, watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, then subscribe to our channel, because I keep bringing you such amazing videos. So let's start the video. Simple grape cutter. This handy tool effortlessly quarters grapes and cherry tomatoes into perfectly sized pieces, eliminating the choking hazard for toddlers. Its scissor-like design is comfortable and efficient, making snack time a breeze. Busy parents will appreciate the time-saving feature of cutting 2 fruits at once. Made from BPA-free material, it's safe for your little one and a must-have for any parent. Meat and chicken shredder. This meat and chicken shredder is a kitchen essential. Its innovative rotating design and transparent cover make shredding a breeze. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free materials, it's safe and durable. Whether you're shredding chicken, pork, beef, or even vegetables, this tool saves time and effort. Also, the included food tong is a practical addition. So, elevate your cooking game with this must-have kitchen gadget. The NutriChef cast iron pan. Say goodbye to burnt food and endless scrubbing. The NutriChef cast iron pan heat evenly and retain heat superbly, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're searing a steak, frying chicken, or sautéing veggies, these pans deliver exceptional results. Experience the joy of effortless, delicious home cooking with the NutriChef cast iron pan set. Stone Lane dinnerware set. This 16-piece dinnerware set is a modern masterpiece, perfect for dinner parties or casual family meals. The set includes everything you need, crafted from durable stoneware. These pieces are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them as practical as they are pretty. Overall, this dinnerware set is a must-have for any kitchen. ASD Gourmet Popcorn Maker. This is a delightful kitchen gadget that transforms ordinary kernels into a flavorful treat. This glass wonder uses hot air circulation to popcorn evenly without the need for unhealthy oils or butter. Its dual-function lid doubles as a measuring cup and butter melter, adding convenience and gourmet flair. The glass construction allows you to watch the magic happen while ensuring a chemical-free and long-lasting product. Easy to clean and a joy to use, this popcorn maker is a must-have for health-conscious snack lovers. Meat thermometer. This sleek wireless device allows you to monitor your cooking from afar, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. With a long-range Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi relay mode, you can keep an eye on your dishes from virtually anywhere. Its accurate temperature readings make it a reliable kitchen companion. Whether you're grilling or roasting, the meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, so you can focus on enjoying the process. Food Saver Vacuum Sealing Machine. The Food Saver Vacuum Sealing Machine is a game changer for food storage. With customizable dry and moist settings, you can tailor the sealing process to any type of food. Also, the included alignment tray and compatibility with handheld sealers make it incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking to minimize food waste and maximize freshness, the Food Saver Vacuum Sealing Machine is an excellent investment.